everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today we're doing my next update of my Partners in Cream Project Pan collab video. This is a collaboration that was created by Steph and Dylan here on YouTube. As always, I will have everyone linked down below as well as the playlist. So today I have my 5 products that I have in here with my progress. Fair warning, nothing will be rolled out, but I already warned you guys ahead last month about that. So anyway, let's see how much progress I got because I just found out myself how much progress I have. So before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with this update. So let's start off with the nail polish. I have put in this Clarins whatever nail polish in the color Rouge Red. Golden red. Why did I think rouge red? Golden red. Golden red. All right, so we started out right here, and guys, we are right there. I'm actually very proud of myself with this one. This I have put on my fingers twice and on my toes 3 times. I just took these off yesterday, so that's why there's nothing on them, but I have been using this. I've been enjoying it. If anything, my goal is just to use this on my toes, but if I could take advantage and put them on my hands, I will. This, for it being an expensive nail polish, because it is Clarins, I'm sure my mother paid an arm and a leg for this sucker, it's not that great. After a day or 2 of me just moving around doing things around the house, it chips on my finger. It works so much better on my toes, and it looks so much better on my toes, at least in my opinion. I know a lot of people like red on me. I don't know about it, but I am wearing it. I am using it. My goal is to finish this up. I think I could. I think I can. I think I can. So we'll see with this one. Still in the running. Still in this Project Pan. Next up is my Kat Von D lip gloss. This lip gloss is called Subliminal. We started out here. We moved down a little bit, and now we're right over here, you guys. I'm very proud of myself for this amount of progress, because if I look from the beginning to now, that's quite a bit of usage out of this. I do try to use this as often as I possibly can whenever I remember. I keep this upright because I feel like with this heat, it's starting to like seep out. I love the formula. I love how it wears. It's just a little bit harder for me now to wear lip gloss because one, the mask situation, and I don't want gloss all over my mask. Or 2, if I'm not wearing a mask, the wind blows my hair and my face and I have gloss. It's not that it's a sticky product, it's just I don't want it in my hair. So I'm having a little bit of a hard time remembering to use this. I only use it, I keep it in this room, so when I edit, I remember to put it on. In the evenings, I remember to put it on as chapstick. I do wear it here and there if I know I'm not going to be wearing a mask and going somewhere, then I'll wear it on top of whatever I'm using. But for the most part, I am wearing a liquid lip or some sort of drier lip product, so I don't get it all over the place, which is sucking because of this whole mask situation. But we're getting progress. This will be here till next year, I'm pretty sure, because I don't think I'll be done this at all this year. Next up is my NARS liquid blush. This is the one I have for this month. This is Torrid. I think I mistook this, and this probably was up here somewhere because I don't have that much usage, even though I've been using this every day. So I have a feeling that I labeled this the first time around. It should have been up a little bit higher because I have used quite a bit of this. I'm wearing it today on my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's a nice one. It's my favorite one so far. I think that this one out of all of them is definitely one of the brightest ones, the ones that really stand out, but it is a beautiful formula. I've worn this on its own. I have posted a picture of it on my cheeks. This is the cream product. I don't have to top this with anything. This formula is amazing for oily skin or the summertime. You just put it on your cheeks and it looks like skin with a tint. It gives you enough color and it's not sticky. It actually sets and without putting any powder on it at all. So I love this formula. So this is gonna stay in here until what, September-ish, when fall hits, but it's working great for now. So I'm loving this one. The next one that I have is Mastila Heaven's Hue Highlighter in Bronze. It is what I'm wearing all over my face under. And I gotta tell you guys, I have quite a bit of progress on this sucker. So I don't know if you have a picture up yet or not of this, but this is where this is looking like right now. Let me not blind you, shall I? It's looking a little bit rough. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So this is where we're at right now. The issue with this is it's kind of like a ColourPop Super Shock Cheek or highlighter or even shadow, when you get towards the bottom, it starts to dry up and flake off. So that's what's been happening with this product. I think I will be done with it next month. I've been using quite a bit of it, but when I feel it, certain parts of it are drier than others, so it's flaking off. And I am doing what I can to not waste the product, but it's becoming impossible. So, and it doesn't help that this has ridges in it, like raised ridges all over the pan. So I can't even like flatten it up and put it all together because of these ridges here. So I have a feeling this will be done by, there's no doubt in my mind that this will be done next month, just because it's so thin. It's super thin on here. I'm so excited because I panned this all last year and I'll finally get to finish it this year. That's my goal. So I think that this has one more month left to it. And the last product is this product right over here. This is the Pure Bronze Your Selfie Skin Perfecting Face Body Liquid Bronzer. So this started out at 76 grams and currently we are at 71 grams. I'm mixing this with my foundation. I mixed it with my last foundation. If you saw my Wednesday's video, you saw that I finished my It Cosmetics CC Cream Foundation. I was mixing it with that because that is my fall winter color. And this just works so beautifully. I have also used this on its own as an actual bronzer, as a liquid bronzer, and it works just as great as this. It sets, it's not sticky, it's not tacky, it dries on your face, but it doesn't look like you have powder and it doesn't look weird on your face. It blends like a dream. I mean, like, these two are awesome just on their own without any powders on top. You can blend them out. You have enough time to blend both of these out. You're getting color pigmentation, but it looks so natural on the skin. It really looked beautiful. I love that look. And I was able to bronze my whole entire face with this. Awesome. It looks dark when you pull it out, as you guys can see right there. It looks dark, but it doesn't. It shears out to such a beautiful bronzy shade. So I could put this all over my body or my face, but I've been mixing this all over my face is what I'm doing today, and I think it looks beautiful on the skin. But I have also used this alone as a bronzer, and I will consider, I'm gonna do that more often with these two, just use these two on their own. So that is my goal so far for that one, is to try to use as much of it. I don't think I will be done that by the end of this year. I can't use that all year round unless I use it as a bronzer, but I don't think I'll be done that this year. So that is still in the running as well. So that is it, you guys. I think for the next update, the only thing that'll probably be done is this, and then after that I'll roll something else in, but that's it. I think these products that I chose are here to stay for a little bit. They're gonna linger on for a little bit longer, but I'm happy because I'm to a point with my collection, at least my cream product collections, where I don't have an abundance. I don't have that many because I've been using them for over a year now, like going on 2 years, 2.5 years of using up all of my cream products. So I don't have that many makeup cream products left in my collection to be able to use up, and that is very exciting to me because that's what I wanted. I don't want any cream products really, just because I'm not using them what they're intended to be used for. So anyway, thank you again for all of your support. I'll have everyone linked down below if you're interested in binge watching this today. I'll put my videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.